Hello everyone, welcome back. So this time we're going to do an example with gas pressure. As part of this problem, let's just read through it. So we have 21 grams of nitrogen. Okay, 21 grams is placed in an 8-liter container. The pressure gauge on the container reads 2.25 atmospheres. What is the temperature and units of Kelvin in this container? Okay, so this is a gas pressure problem. You can tell that because we're seeing volume, we're seeing pressure, we're seeing grams of nitrogen, so that's going to be moles at some point. So let's see if we can solve this problem. First off, if you look at your periodic table, actually, first off, let's write down the equation. So PV equals nRT. As a note, R right here has various forms, and they're all the same thing, just different units. So what we're going to be using this time is 0.08206 atmospheres liters per mole Kelvin, because it's got all the units we want, and that will be R. So we know this, we know volume, we know pressure. We need to figure out those moles, because we need to get the temperature. Okay, another equation that we should know by this point, maybe not, that's okay, is mass is equal to molecular weight times the number of moles. And so we can solve for moles using that. So moles would be equal to mass divided by molecular weight. Okay. So we know the mass, we don't know molecular weight. We can look that up though. So if we go to nitrogen right here, if we look on the periodic table, it will look something like this. I'm going to be rounding just because I'm going to be saving some time. And oh, my pen has decided to betray me. I'll put it over here then. So look for nitrogen, I'll see a 1400 milligrams. But this is in 2, so it will be 28. And 14 times 2. So I'll say that the molecular weight is equal to 28. My mass is equal to 21. Some pretty easy math. That'll be 0.75. Well, now I know everything I need for this problem, so I can go ahead and plug it in. So we'll go ahead and solve for temperature. So temperature will be equal to pressure volume over the number of moles times the gas constant, which will equal to 2.25 atmospheres. I'm leaving the units off right now just because I can't fit them in. You keep those units. I might dock points if you don't. 8 liters over 0.08206, and then finally times 0.75. Now with all that, if I plugged it into my calculator, I should get is somewhere around 290 Kelvin, which I'm going to cheat a little bit because I have it actually in my PowerPoint. 292 Kelvin, okay. That'll be equal to 292 Kelvin. And that will do it. Okay, there's things to remember for this problem. A lot of times you're given a number of mass of some substance. You get to figure out the number of moles by using its molecular weight. You're going to have to look at that periodic table a lot. It might be good to print that off and help yourself. Second thing to think about is to write down the equation. See what you don't know so you can see what you need to figure out. And you can look at your equation sheet that's in your book. It's actually towards the end, there's a great equation sheet that has all the equations from chapter 8. You can look there and see like, oh, there's that thing I need, and help yourself out. Okay, I hope this helped you, and I'll see all of you next time. Bye-bye.